Welcome! In front of me is a Verni Thor Plus, and today I will show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. So as you can see, this device is locked and I am right now at the page where I would need to confirm my account. So once you see this, you can go back to the first page. Now make sure you're connected to the internet. You will need it. Okay, so from the welcome page, tap on Vision Settings and then tap on TalkBack and turn it on. Now tap on OK.
TalkBack on. TalkBack is a screen reader
And let me mute it
people with blindness and low vision. TalkBack tutorial.
so we don't hear it. Okay, so from here you want to draw an L on the screen, basically like this, and then tap on TalkBack settings. Once to select it, then double tap on it to actually go to the setting itself. And from here you want to deactivate the TalkBack settings, so you want to hold volume up and down simultaneously, so like this. Then you get suspend TalkBack, tap on OK and double tap again, and now you can touch the screen again and it will behave normally as it's supposed to. So from here, scroll down to help and feedback, and then tap on the first option, which is about switch access for Android. Then tap on the play button and wait for the clock to appear right here. So once it's available, just tap on it and then tap on accept, and we don't need to sign in at the moment. So from here, you want to tap on the search field and then basically navigate into the hard reset info website. So type in hardreset.info. Like so. Then tap on the three bars up here to go to the menu and select download. And then in a search field for download, in a search field, type in 7.1.2. So 7.1.2, like so, and then tap on search. Then tap on download. Scroll down again, and once more tap on the download. Now you will need to update permissions so we can actually allow the Chrome to download it. So tap on allow and then OK. Then you can tap on the three dots up here and go into the downloads folder, or just tap right there where how it appeared, open. So from here, tap on it, and once more we need to grant settings so we can install unknown sources. So check this on, confirm it, then let's go back, whichever button it is. Okay, so you go back and let's do that again. Okay, stop on next and install. And from here we want to just tap on done, or see, stop done. Then close this and go back into the search. So let's go back once more, download, and whoops. And now let's search for Android settings or just settings. Okay, so basically this Android settings APK. Once more, tap on download and then go down to download it. Confirm it. And from here, tap on again the download, and then tap on the settings, install, and now tap on open. And what we want to do now is navigate into the security. So let's find that. Security right here. Then device administrator right here. And deactivate Find My iPhone. Deactivate device administrator. And then we can go back. And now we can navigate into the apps. Right here. Then choose system, show system right here, and find Google Account Management. So right here, Google Account Management or Manager, and then tap on disable app, go back, and then find Google Play Services. So it should be somewhere here as well. Right here, Google Play Services. Again, tap on it and also disable app. And now let's go back to the main page of settings, which is right here, and then tap on accounts. So I think it's somewhere below, right here. Accounts, tap on add account, choose Google. And then log in with your Google account. So I'm gonna use mine. And tap on next. And put in your password. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, and once you tap on next, just tap on I agree, the terms of service of Google. And now we can go back again to the apps and re-enable the ones that we have disabled. So again, go apps. Choose to show system. Good. So there it is, Google Account Manager. Enable, go back, then Google Play Services. Whoops. Google Play Services and also enable. Go back. And now we can reboot the device. Reboot. Step on exit. And let's go back to the setup. Let's suspend the talkback again, we don't need it. So tap on get started, skip, set up as new. And as you can see, that is the account that we have put it in previously, and it's already logged in. We don't have to put in anything, so just tap on next. Now mind you, you don't need to like set up this device at the moment, just skip through the setup process as quick as possible because we will do a hard reset of the device anyway. So let's get through this fairly quickly. And as you can see, we're at the home screen right now. So from here, let's go into the settings, put on the notification panel and then tap on the gear icon. And from here, scroll all the way down into backup and reset, and then choose factory data reset, reset phone, and erase everything. And now let's wait for the process to go through. And once it has, we will be greeted by the Android screen. Welcome screen once more, but this time there won't be any kind of Google verification screen at all. Okay, as you can see, now we're back in the Android setup screen. So now you can set it up fully. So I'm just gonna stick with English and skip set up as new once more. Now let's select don't use any network for setup. Continue. Next. Now mind you could connect to Wi-Fi, it's just gonna take a little bit longer to set up, considering it's gonna start looking for updates and stuff like that. You can also add a fingerprint. I'm just kind of trying to, again, go through it quicker, so set up later. Yeah, and now that we're in a home screen, I'm gonna go into the settings, and I'm gonna go into the account, just to show that there is no more any kind of account logged in. So accounts completely clear. Google, also nothing here as you can see. So the device is fully cleared of any kind of previous accounts, fully unlocked and ready to use. So that would be basically how you would bypass the Google verification screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.